be demonstrating the MIR, taking a path through the fifth floor hallway and returning to the mechatronics lab in this spot. Here it is, and it's starting to move. It has a map of this room, so I can path find. This is its only available path in this room to get to the front door. And it will path find, and it will move to the door. And after it gets to the door, it's going to switch its map from this room to the hallway. It should appear soon. Yep, there it is. It navigates all on its personal, or all on the computer within it. After I set the path on my laptop through a Wi-Fi connection. Right. At this door, there is a waypoint, and the waypoint is facing in the direction the MIR is turning right now. It is facing towards the inside of this room. This is the front of the MIR. And during this process, at the door, it switches to the waypoint on the hallway map, where it switches the map over and recalibrates the map according to its vision so that it can pathfind properly. It's just completed the switchover, and it will travel from right here in front of the door to that end of the hallway and that end of the hallway. Right? And now it's on its way. It has sensors so it can see its surroundings, and the slow speed currently is for safety reasons, as well as the beeping sound that it makes while traveling. It can sense people around it, can sense when objects move around it, and if something is too close, it will stop. It will stop moving and back up, try and repathfind, and if it can't find a path around it, it will stop completely and require manual reset. Here it is, approaching the end of the hallway. There is a waypoint for it at the other end of this hallway. It takes this turn right here and goes off to the side in order to have a faster route towards turning in the direction of the waypoint, which is facing towards this open door. It cannot pathfind through this open door because on its map this area is marked as forbidden, and it lines up with the waypoint in a way that it finds acceptable, and it turns off to go all the way to the other end of the hallway. This route takes about 7 minutes total in order to go from one end of the hallway to the other and then return to the mechatronics lab. At the final waypoint, which I've marked as home currently, it is now passing the mechatronics lab. This robot and most of the systems that operate it are not built by us, though the map and this current route is programmed by me. It's coming to a turnaround here at this end of the hallway. And after it completes its turn, lines up with the waypoint facing towards that door, it begins to pathfind back towards the home point in the mechatronics lab. Right? And it lines up with the waypoint at the door in this or on the hallway map and switches its map back over to the mechatronics lab so that I can pathfind and return to its home point. And there we go, it finishes the changeover. Here's the lab again. And it returns to the exact same start position. Stops.